We take an unbiased approach to the customer's needs with regard to solutions.
We are experts in the industry. Combined, we probably have many hundreds of years of experience in our staff.
The way that we become the largest company of our kind in the Northeast is that we have long-term relationships with our customers. They want to do business with us, we want to do business with them, and that allows us to grow.
We're able to go in a facility and engineer a solution, manage the process, and then support the results.
So our belief is not a customer-dealer relationship, it's a client-dealer relationship. We want a partner for life.
Customer retention is a difficult thing to measure, but if we had a guess, we would say we are well north of 95%. We don't believe in losing customers. We may lose a deal, but we will never lose a customer.
Abel Womack is more than just a company. It's a team, but it really is a family.
We do have a really great product line, but the reason why I've been here so long is because of the people. They're great people, and that's really what makes the difference.
Happy employees make happy customers, and customers realize what the Abel Womack difference is.
On the other hand, you can't just be a happy family and not be very effective at what you do, and frankly, we are the best company of our kind in the entire Northeast, probably hands down by far. We have the most scale, we're the largest, we have the most capabilities, and in a lot of ways I think we care more about excellence than anybody we compete with.
Founded in 1922, Robert Abel and Company merged with Womack Material Handling to become Abel Womack, the most successful materials handling company in the Northeast. Although our size and strength benefit clients with access to a broad range of best-of-breed suppliers and technologies, the Abel Womack difference is much more than the equipment and service we provide.
When you look at our values, and that is integrity, empathy, customer care, passion, and teamwork, we not only have those as values, but we have the behaviors associated with those, and we expect those behaviors to be the signposts for everybody to know how to respond in any given customer situation. At the end of the day, the world is just much too quick for us to be able to always constantly be there and be able to tell people what they should do in any given situation. But if the values are really felt by each of us, then they are the signposts that tell us how we should act, and that's how we're successful going to market.
Long known for its distinction as a top Raymond lift truck sales and service center, it is in fact Abel Womack's expertise in integrated handling solutions that has fostered the company's significant long-term growth.
Although the largest part of our revenue are Raymond lift trucks, the fact is that we do many more things than that. In fact, our go-to-market strategy is for us to be a solutions provider and to have the breadth of technology so that whatever challenges our customers have, we can solve that issue for them.
A lot of times when you walk into a facility, you do see a lot of the same industry standards of selective pallet racking and pretty simple technology, or on the other end, oversold technology, because that's really all they have to offer. Our capabilities here allow us to walk into a facility and really take a step back and talk to the end user, the customer, about what they're trying to accomplish, the throughput of the product, the receiving, the put away, the replenishment, the picking, the shipping that goes on those four walls. We take that back, and using our engineering capabilities, where we actually will run some slotting software and some simulation to be able to determine what the most efficient and effective end result is based on what the customer is really trying to accomplish in that warehouse.
Before we get into a relationship, the customer will see the benefits before we sign on the dotted line that there will be cost savings to them.
25 years ago, in order to effectively store the amount of product that you would need to successfully meet the needs of your customers, if that took 100,000 square feet, there's products out there and there's solutions out there now that can knock that storage space down to 25%. The buildings are now being built higher, and the most difficult thing for customers to determine is how I can utilize the height overhead. So being able to take that square footage and narrow it down to 25 to 50,000 square feet versus 100 is simply by using the cube, using the elevation, but also using the correct technology to be able to effectively access the products and the people that you have up above.
We don't have a revolving door. Our staff comes in and stays a long time. I've been here 15 years and I'm considered a rookie, just to put things in context.
It's kind of cliche to talk about us being a family or a team, but at the end of the day, I've been here my entire career. I started here as a kid, We don't have a lot of hierarchy. We in fact just believe each of us are equally important. We just have different roles in the organization. And if everybody does a great job at what they're supposed to be doing, then we're a great company.
Bringing people in and training them is a benefit to the company because they gain more skills and they learn how to do their jobs better. But it also is a growth opportunity for them, so they can see that they're able to do more, and it solidifies their position with us. And we also try to reward them and recognize them every chance we get. If there's customer comments that are positive about them, or their manager wants to recognize something special that they've done, we do that as often as we can so that they feel appreciated.
Integrity, empathy, customer care, passion, and teamwork. These are the universal principles guiding Abel Womack in all of its business transactions.
Our tagline is "Discover the Difference," and there's a lot of elements to that, but probably where the rubber really meets the road is the caliber of people that we want in this organization, and the fact that we want everybody to be on a team who really believe in what we do and are passionate about being part of this.